Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we are going to replace the wick in this Park Industries Petrol pipe insert. You can see that the wick is coming apart. The time that this wick was made, I think in the 1960s. Don't know if they were making them out of asbestos or not, but I'd say it's a good possibility. So rather than cutting that, I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. It doesn't necessarily look like it's a problem right now, except for the fact that you can visibly see so much of it burning. It would work to light your pipe, but to make it light better and more efficiently and hopefully last longer, we're going to go ahead and replace that wick. And probably reuse the wadding. While there is a little bit of dust on the outside, it looks pretty clean on the inside. Go ahead and remove the flint spring screw. Which will allow the flint spring to be removed as well. Flint. Now there's nothing keeping us from removing the felt pad, which if you wanted to turn that around, you would have a much cleaner side. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to note this in the listing when I sell the lighter anyway. So we might as well keep it all clean on the inside. Go ahead and remove the wadding along with the wick. And like I said, if the wadding looks like it is still in good enough shape, then we will probably just reuse it. Hopefully it'll all come out in one piece. And it did. Pull out that fraying, limp, weak looking wick. Take that wick, spin it right on down into that chimney. And you might want to leave the wick a little bit shorter in this pipe insert than you would for a regular cigarette insert. Bend our wick down against that top wall of the insert and feed in a layer. And then just crisscross that in an S shape. Running the entire length of the lighter. Now we'll feed this other side down the skinny side of the tube. Get that all packed in there tightly. Replace our flint into the tube. Get our felt pad back into place. Flint spring and screw. Okay, so we know it's still got enough fuel in it, held into that wadding, even though the wick has just been replaced and was not in there when we fueled it. So it should be about the right position there. It lit, so it appears as though our flint is grooved as much as it needs to be. Get our plastic screw tightened down and be careful with it because those will twist off very easily. This is going to be our rebuilt overhauled Park Industries pipe insert. Until next time.